This order came late July, and I used my 50% off coupon to order online at julep.com. And what I bought was this Julep Luxe Repair Skin Serum. The box was a little beat up, this box, and this was inside it. I've been using it for about a week. Use it sparingly because it's so oily. I got blackheads from it. It's kind of almost like using olive oil on your face or vegetable oil. It also has the same weird smell as cooking oil.
Ew. I don't want any of that.
I know, but I don't know. I'll try it until it's done or until my skin just can't take it anymore. And hopefully my skin will improve, especially if I mix it, use it with this, the Bare Face Cleansing Oil. I'm hoping that they work well together. I'm hoping.
Or it'll be doubly bad.
Or it'll be doubly bad.
And how much was that? Like before your coupon off?
It was about $22, I believe, and I paid $11 something for it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, or even comment.
Or if you wanted to have some of your stuff reviewed, then send us an email or a message, and who knows, maybe Mona will review more stuff and create her own Girly Corner channel or something.